Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Walmart Zamac Mix 5. I want to give a huge shout out to a local buddy for helping me grab this set. In the background are mixes 1 through 4. So the cars in this set are the 92 BMW M3, 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. So the first car is a 92 BMW M3. So this car is of course Zamac, and then it says police on the hood and on the side in blue, and the white around the wheels. And since it's a mainline, no backlights or front lights, but still pretty cool car. The 92 BMW M3 was designed by Junamite, and we first saw it as a premium in the 2012 Canada exclusive Road Racer set. Check out my video on that set. It is one that is sought after by many collectors. Next up is a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. So this car is Zamac, then you have the red windows, looks pretty clean on the car, and the red around the wheels. And it would be cool to see some tampos on the side maybe, like maybe some numbers and then stripes, but still it's pretty cool. And also collectors are going to go after this one. The 2018 Honda Civic Type R was designed by Ryu Asada. It first appeared in 2019 in really nice red color with red lines around the wheels. Don't get confused with the 2016 Honda Civic Type R, which was a 2-door model. So the last car is a Shelby Cobra 427 SC. So of course the car is Zamac. Then it has an orange stripe, 2 orange stripes, a little bit of a darker orange, then orange around the rims, then the stripe on the side, it says Hot Wheels, then you can see the interior. The Shelby Cobra 427 SC has been around for a long time, and in 1998 was released as a Zamac. The ROC version is many collectors' grail piece. So my favorite car out of these three is probably the Honda Civic. I really like how the red windows go well with the wheels and then the Zamac. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite cars out of this 2020 Zamac Mix 5.